Hello everyone, this is your host Abdul Majid Mangrio. Today we are going to learn Introduction to String in Java. First of all, we will look at what is a string. Well, basically string are simple array of characters which resides inside the package java.lang.string in Java. The string objects are immutable. Immutable means read only. They can only be changed by assigning a new value like a sequence of characters. And this is the example. Like a string, we have created this object s, string s, with the value of hello Java. It comes in double quotation, inside double quotation, and below is the representation of an string object. Like these are the characters and the indexes. It starts from zero index and onwards. Let's go further. It has a fixed length and it can be accessed by its indexes. We can see in the below snap like we have methods. We have some methods of string like dot length or character rate. So by this we can fetch the character by passing the index. Like for instance, these are the characters and we want to fetch number one like E character. So we are just passing the index 1. On index 1 we have character E. So the result will be is character E. Further, this is the way we are initializing and declaring. Here we have declare an object. By default, if no we haven't initialized that object, by default null will be the value of this object. And in Java we have two ways to initialize string object. One is by initializing by literal, like this. We can just simply assign the string literal by comma double quotation, and the other one is by creating an object of the string by using the new operator. Furthermore, a string has many methods like dot length, character rate, starts with, replace all, or replace a certain character with a new one, or we can also search, or we can also trim the white spaces. So folks, this was all a concise introduction to string. We will meet in our latest next tutorial where we will learn how to create and use string object inside Java. Thank you.